Hello everyone, welcome to Trading 7 Academy. So today is a new day. So we are live on YouTube. So first we are here as you can see on Forex Factory. So at 6:30 there is a news unemployment claims and there is another news at 9 o'clock, the high impact news that President Trump speaks and there will be volatility in the market. So yesterday we made one sell at 2758. Today I made up one line here as you can see. So we are going for sell today. So I will remove this. So first you have to see what is going on. Market hit 58, then 45, then comes back up, hit 63, then goes down to 50, then comes back up to 59, then goes down to 49, comes back up here to 55, 40, and now market is here. So we are going for sell today. So I made up my entry and now we will search for 52 and 56. $56. So we put our pending order. So I will write here my entry. $252.15 sell and 2756 heading. So we made our entry at 2752. Because in my opinion market should go down. But we will see what happens. And remember, once your hedging point is open, then your uh, main agenda from this trade is not to get profit, just to make break even so you don't lose any money. We do hedging because we don't take SL. You must have plan before execution. So market is moving above 50, but market breaks its resistance of 45, and we just need market to go down in 40s, because once the market will move in 40s, then it's done that market is going down. Right now it's 50-50, but we still have time. At 6:30 there is a news. Market will be volatile at that time. So I made my entry, as you can see here. So on 56 is our hedging point, and our entry is at 52, and we are thinking market will go down. And as you can see in this candle, market is just moving there, and we are right now in loss right now. You just have to minimize your loss because it's a part of game. Even this setup, for example, doesn't go, it doesn't mean that you're a bad trader. It just means one setup goes wrong and you have to find another opportunity. And in a day trading, intraday trading, what you call, you just have to do one trade or two trades, not more than that, because the more trades you do, the more chances are there that you will be stuck in the situations. So always do your analysis before going in any trade, and once you are in profit, like 10 pips, don't forget to break even your entry point, book some profit, and third, your hedging point which you have done in the starting, also close that position. So right now we are getting some profit, but we are waiting for 10 pips as always to book some profit as $10, and rest we will break even this entry and we will remove our entry point, and then we can relax and just wait for the market to move downwards, and we will see what happens. So today we go on market execution because I made my analysis before 1 hour, and at 4 o'clock market was hitting my entry point, but I do live so people can see what I'm doing and learn and make some profit. So as you can see, we are getting almost $36. So we will close some profit. So we close some profit. We will cancel the pending order and we will break even this entry. So our entry is 52752.15, and this is a disciplined paper. What disciplined traders do is they are just disciplined, so what they have planned, so as we planned that after every 10 pips 20 pips we will close half as 0.10, and the rest we will break even. Always do break evens. So it is also good for your mental health, that you will not feel pressurized that oh what will happen in the market, and always break even your entries, and then you can feel relaxed that there is no harm on your capital. So we will see where the market will go. So as you can see, market is going downside. We are waiting for our next target. So for example, today there is a news at 6:30. If in this entry we didn't make our 10%, then we will look for another opportunity today. But right now, as you can see on mobile, we are in profits, and market is moving at 2748.18, and we are getting profits of $77. And also if you made an entry before news, and you have done your targets, you don't have to wait for news and for the volatile market to go for more trades. If your trades are done before news, you should close your setup and you can just relax. Don't get greedy. So we take a trade, as you can see here, at 2752, and market is at now 2746. There is one rejection at 2745. We will see what happens, but we are in profits even today. Always use lot size according to your capital. If anybody is coming and going for trades, you must have $1,000 to start. If you are coming here to earn money, you should have $1,000, and you should use 0.03 as lot size. And I also mentioned targets here. Once you put your entry, your first target should be 10 to 20 pips, second target 100 pips, and the rest you can left for swing trade. So market is moving at 2749, and there is news at 6:30. As we can go and check Forex Factory again. So here you can see at 6:30 USD high impact news is coming, unemployment claims, and 9 o'clock. You should be careful because there is a speak of President Trump and there will be a high volatile in the market. So we are getting profit of $60 and we are waiting for our next target to be hit. And in the swing trade you can make a decision that how much you want from the swing trade. You must, because you have to close also a swing trade. You can have 500 pips, 50% from the market, or 1000 pips. It's up to you how you feel. But our first setup is going and it's in the market at 2752.15, and hedging I have done 2756, but I have closed my hedging point and I break even my entry. As far as this setup is concerned, if market moves in 40s, then this setup is very good. If not, then break even will be hit, because above 50 you can consider market as a proper bullish and you have to search for buy, not for sell. But once market moves in 40s, you should not go for buy, you should search for sell. And always use proper lot size, because this will only work if you are using proper lot size. If you are not using proper lot size, even $4, like from 2752 to 2756, $4, your stock money will be very big, and then market will not allow you to go in a trade. Then they will ask you to close your previous position in loss and then you can put another trade. So now we are getting $53, $50 as profit. This hour just started and market is at 49. We will see what happens, but see, market, once we get market hit I think 53 or 54 and market went down. You can, if you want to learn, it's just simple one line that you can draw this line. For example, market hit this one, this one. If you are searching for sell, so you just take a previous high and put a line. So as you can see, market hit here, then goes there, then hit this, then go down, and again market hit this, and here we get a sell. And as you can see on mobile, we are getting profit. So we have started live session previous week and there is not a single day that even our hedging point market hit our hedging point. Every day we are booking some profits, and as you can see we are making profits. And I give signals only on one direction, not on two direction, that I will say on same time, like on 50 go for buy and go for sell, and then I will tell everybody, oh, because market has to move one way or another. And I will put my screenshot. Oh, look, we have made so much, 100 pips, 400 pips profit, and blah blah blah, which you see on Telegram channels and also on YouTube. So now market is tapping 45. Once it's broken, market will definitely hit 2730. And there are two newses, so you never know where the market will go today. But we are waiting for 2742 to book our second target profit, and the rest we will see as a swing trade, that how much we can close today or next day. So even right now we are getting almost $100 as profit. And on Monday and Friday, also on tomorrow there's a news, but I don't do trade on Monday and Friday because there is a high manipulation in the market, because trading is a mindset game. So on Monday, so there was Saturday and Sunday was off the market and people wants to earn a lot of money. And also the market makers also knows that, so they manipulate a lot in the market. So it's difficult to analyze market on that days, and even you do proper analysis, it got failed because of the manipulation, and you lose money. So that's why I don't recommend anyone to do trade on Monday and Friday. Just do trades at Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. If you like our channel and see as informative, please subscribe to our channel, hit like button, and if you have any queries or any question related to trading or crypto, you can comment also, and I'll give you the answers. So as you can see, we are getting $110 as profit. And so now it's time to just relax and wait for your targets. Because there are most of the people, they don't even wait for their targets, because in the starting they don't make a plan proper, that how they are going to go in a trade. So that's why, even for example right now we are making $110 and market moves up and we are making only for example $50, so they will close their position at 50 because they will be thinking, oh, market is coming back up. Market can, but you must have a plan and you must respect what you think, and you should wait for your also TPs. So now market is moving at 2746.73. And just market is getting support at 45.46. Once it's broken, you will see market in 30s today. but we will see what happens. Almost hour is left in first news. Market can go even in this hour in 30s, and once the news come it will come right back up and hit 2750, because once market moves in 30s then you can take one more sell at 2750 to 2748. This is a golden zone for sell also, and if market moves upwards and sustain upwards after 2750, then you should watch any for buy, not for sell then. But now our setup is done in the market and we are making $110 as profit. But as you can see here, market hit 45, then goes down to 38, sorry 40, and then comes back up, then hit 46. So this zone market is tapping right now 45, because it is broken before, you can see make a spike, and now it's getting support there. Once it's broken then market will go down. We are getting $120 today. We just need market to go to 2742, and then we will book our second profit. So right now market moves in 45, 2745.55. Only 30 pips are left, and then we will be making almost $200 in our trade. And if it happens right now we will book our profit. But look, we take a trade and how beautifully this trade get executed. If anybody wants to close their position half or all, they can, because here is a rejection also, so my kid can take a support here and then just move upwards. You never know, but we will see today whether market goes or not. For trading you must have patience. Even you don't have to wait in losses, but in profits. In losses, once you're, for example, you are taking SL, then for example your SL has been hit, you should look for one more opportunity if there is any. If not, then you should just leave trading setup and just move and do something else. Don't sit there, because if your SL has been hit, your mind will work and think differently, and then you want all the money which you have lost as an SL to make in one trade, and you also want profit at the same day. So market is at 45. We need a bit more from market to go down so we can book our profits. So as you can see, we are getting $150 as profit, and market is moving downside. So if anybody has taken any trade, if they haven't booked their profit, they should book their profit and make your entries as break even, and then you can easily relaxed and wait for your TP to be hit. So for every $1,000, I write here 0.03 lot size targets as mentioned here. First 20 pips, second 100 pips, and third for swing trade. But you must have a strong mindset that you should wait for your entry point, one target point, and second, if market comes back and hit your entry point, you should not get panic. You must have that kind of strong mindset that if even it's hit our break even, it's not a problem. Almost $156 profit we are getting. Right now market is moving slow because there is almost 1 hour is left in the news, and we will see what happens. So almost 20 pips are left, and then we will close our second take profit. And as you can see, we came at 5 o'clock and sitting and waiting. So anybody is coming and who is thinking that it's very good profession that you come here and just earn money in 1 second or 1 minute, then you are totally wrong, because for this profession you need patience and a strong mindset. So as you can see, we are very close. We are almost hitting our second TP. Market moves backwards, but we will see. So we are going to close our second TP at, right now we are getting almost 88 $90, and I think we should close because you never know when the market will come back up. So now our two targets are being hit, and third, as a swing trade, we are waiting. We will see how much we can grab in a swing trade and how much market will go down today. And never depend on market, that for example you are thinking that market will go from 50 to 30, then once you are in profit and you should what you think, like for example 30, and you are waiting for the market to be hit 30 exactly, and then you will book your profits. That's totally wrong, because market will not move according to you. You can just make analysis prediction what can happen, and once it happen you should book your profit as well. As you can see now, market is jumping backwards like on 44, and we are getting only now $72, but we booked our profit. Now just a waiting time. We will see whether our entry point gets break even or not today, and we'll see how the market moves on the news time. So as you can see now, I booked my second TP, and now market is jumping backwards as 2745. So this setup is done. Market hit 2742, and now it's tapping upwards at 2745. As I told you that there was a support at that time. Now it will work as a resistance. 45 minutes are left in the news. We will see what happens at the news time. If this hour candle closes in 40s, there is a highly chance that market will move downside today, not upwards. I don't think so. So what can happen is market goes in 30s like 2730 to 2733, then comes back up to 2750 or 2748, and then again goes down. So now it's only a waiting game. What will happen? Because I have done my setup for the day. Because if anybody is giving you more setup than two, then you will be not be profitable at the end of the month, because you should only go for one setup or maximum two setups. If your SL or hedging point gets hit, then you can try one more time, and if not, then once you make profit, then don't get greedy that, oh, I have done like 100 or $200 in half hour or 15 minutes, I will go for one more trade. Because once you go for more trade, then you will be stuck in the market. I will write my number if anybody needs, if you have any queries or you have any question related to forex or crypto, then you can message me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me if you have any queries or you need help or you want to learn trading. So our setup is going, we are getting profit $72. And this setup will be left as a swing trade because my key get rejected at 63, then 60, then 58, then 56, and then 54. So now I think my key can hit our entry point as 52 because two targets are left as 50 and 52, but we will hope that my key doesn't hit 52 and we will leave this as a swing trade. But after 42 minutes there is a news unemployment claims. We will see how market behaves at the news time because when the news comes you should not be going for any trade at that time because market doesn't follow any structure at that time. So you should make your plan before 1 hour or 1.5 hour. So you can see we are today we also booked $90 and rest $86 is also going and we are profitable. What I'm thinking, so I will make here. So if you ask me, I will say my kit will go down here. So in my opinion today my kit will hit not exactly but 2731. So as for now we booked our profits and we will not do our second trade today. So we will see at the news time if market hits 2730, we will book 200 from our swing trade as profit. If not, because now we take a trade, we booked our profit, we are waiting for our third profit. You can make your targets like you how much you want from swing trade, because you also, because if you are going in profits in swing trade, you have to book also that profit. So you can make a plan, 200 you want from swing trade, or 500 or 1000 pips, whatever, what best you think you can. But you always remember you should book some profit as well in swing trade, not sitting and just watching profit is going on in swing trade. Because if you don't book the profit and market comes back up, then it's not your profit, it's just you are just watching. Because you have to book profit, then you can count that money is yours, not before. So just market is moving in 40s now. According to me, I think market will go down today, but we will see how much. And in the night, exactly at 9 o'clock, President Trump speaks, and there will be a very high volatility in the market. So be careful at 9 o'clock. One way or the other, you will make a lot of money, or you will make not a single money, or wash your account. So be careful at 9 o'clock, because market will move very fast after 9. But remember, use proper lot size according to your capital. Then even market moves not in your favor, and if you have points like hedging or SL, then it's not a problem to do trading even at that time. But if you don't have any plan, you will be dead at 9 o'clock. So just be careful. So now almost 6 minutes are left at 6 o'clock, and at 6:30 there is a high impact news. We will see how market behaves at that time. And as you can see, I don't put like indicators, or you need something like, you can do trading like a basic, if you have a basic knowledge, you can do trading and you can earn money. One is lot size, second is your entry points and targets, and you must know some calculation. For example, from our entry was at 2752, and our hedging point was at 2756. So if you count, it is almost $4. So if we are putting 0.30 lot size, so 30 30 60, so my $120, if this our setup doesn't work at that time, so we will be our $120 will be stuck in the market. So then the next day or the same day, I have to make a plan to make that money in a different trade, or because I can't sit and wait that market will come back and hit my both entries, and then I will be out from these entries. So always, once your hedging point is on, for example, then you have to make that money which is stuck in a different trade. If you make, then you have decisions to make. You can close those entries in loss because you have made that amount which is stuck in a different trade, or you can wait for the market to hit both entries and you will be out without losing a single penny in a trade. But never ever do this. For example, you are stuck and you are just waiting for the market to hit, because market, there is like 50-50 chance that market will come back and hit your entries, and there is a 50% chance that market will never come back on that zone. So for example, market is moving at 44 and market crashes from here, and for example our hedging point is on. So the next day if I come and doing trading, so I will not wait for the market to come back to this zone. I will calculate my money which is stuck in the market, and I will try to make that money in a different rate. So once I make that money, then if I'm thinking that market will never come back on this zone, so I will close my entries in a loss. But I have made that money in a different trade, so I am not losing a single penny in a trade. It's also, hedging is also risky if you are not using proper lot size. So always use proper lot size according to your capital. If you want to go with higher lot size, always put money in your capital also, because with $1,000 you can go 0.03. If you want to go 0.30, 30 lots, $330, then you should have like $10,000 as capital. Then you should go, because if I will be going with $1,000 as $30 lot size 0.30, if market moves the other way, I am dead, because $1,000, if $120 are stuck, it's almost 10% of my capital. And then also market will also not allow you to do more trades. So 30 minutes are left in a news. We will see what happens, whether we make more money or not. But now it's closed behind 45, I think. The closing is also very, you have to see the closing point of the candles, because now it's almost tapping 45. We need market to close behind 44, because then there will be high chances that market can go in our favor as a sell, and we will make money. If not, you can see on mobile, even now we are making money. But now market is pushing up as a new candle came. If anybody has not taken this trade, they can go on sell at 2750 if market allows them. But today pressure of the sellers are huge in the market, and they are pushing market on downside. So market takes support at 45. As I told you, second was on 40, and the next is 29.685. So we are waiting of the market to hit 2730, and then we will book our profit. Because if market goes on sell and goes down, I definitely will hit 2730 in my opinion. We'll see what happens. 28 minutes are left. And never ever do over trading. Just go for one good setup, make your profits, and close your setup and go. Don't wait and do and clicking like buy or sell once you see candles, because with every trade you are taking risk on your capital. So our two targets are done. One is 10 pips, second is 100 pips, but we closed at 80 pips because of the market uncertainty, and now we are getting 80 pips in a swing trade. And once the news will come, market will move very fast today. And you should also make a plan that how much you have to make in profit according to your capital. So we have started with $10,000 and we have made almost, if I close this entry, $400, and our target is 10%, which is $1,000 in a month. You can make 30% or even 100% in a month, but you have to take a risk on your capital. But we do safe trading, we don't take risky trades, and we go with the proper mindset and our targets. So almost 25 minutes are left, and we will see what happens, whether our swing trade gets break even or we make profit. So now market is tapping the previous hour candle wick. Once it broken, then there is a weak support at 40, but we will see after 20 minutes what happened in the market. So now you can see the news time is coming and market is right now in the middle at 43 and 44. If anybody wants to go for any trade for buy or sell, then how you will make your entry point, your hedging point, and your TP. This is how market behaves. It moves and comes in a certain points that market is not even for buying or not for selling. It's just in the middle. Even you see now, because according to me the sell is at 50 to 52. So we came earlier at 5 o'clock and make our decision at 52 to take sell, and now it's in the middle. It can go either way. It can go upside and break its higher like 63 and go and for test the all-time high 2780, or it will crash today because Trump is going to speak and tell the policies. As you can see here, gold holds steady with focus on Donald Trump's policies. Market will be very volatile at 9 o'clock, so be careful. If they make their policies and make dollar strong, you will see today crash in gold. If they don't make their policies and not make US dollar as strong, so market will move upside. One way or another, market will move today. So as you can see from past 30 minutes, market is moving into $3. 45, 44, 43, 45, 44, 43, and not moving much. And after 20 minutes, there is a news in the market and market will move. So in this swing trade, we are waiting for 2730. If today it hit before 7 o'clock, and we will book 200 above profit in a swing trade. If not, then I will leave it and I will see it in the next week, and then who knows where the market will be at 2700 or down, and we would make 500 or $1000 in a single trade. But right now I am just waiting for this to be break even or to hit 200 pips so I can book my $200 as profit in a swing trade. So the total today, if we make profit in this also, it will be $280 for the day. And always remember, there will be good days, there will be bad days, and you have to face this alone. The push side in the market is on the downside. Market is just stuck in $2 and not moving much. Waiting for news, I think. So on the news, there are three possibilities. One is wherever the market is, markets start following one line. Second is market move upwards, make a spike upwards, and then go downside, which we are expecting from the market. And second is market makes a spike downside and move upwards. So these are the three conditions in which market moves or behaves. So after 15 minutes there is a news coming up. Get ready. So what we can do is you have to book some profits. So if today market hits 2730 and we are getting, for example, $200 as profit in this swing trade, we will book $100. 15 minutes are left. Because the previous movement of this week, if you see, market hit 32, then goes to 16, and then right back up to 57, then goes down 45. The movement on the upside was very big, and there was no news at that time, and market was moving it by himself. So that's why what I think is market will go down today very fast also. So market can hit today 2700. So 2717 are good support, and second is at 2702. These are the two supports. Market can come today on down. So 14 minutes are left in the news. We will see how market reacts. Again, market is just moving in 42, 43, and almost 12 minutes are left in the news, and then it will make a spike downside as we are expecting. If even if not, what can happen is just a break even in our swing trade, because we have booked our profit like 10 pips $10, and then 80 pips 80 $90. So we have booked our profits, so we have no worries. Even market goes against us today, not goes in a favor, not a problem. We will come at Tuesday the next week. You must have a strong mindset to avoid Monday and Friday also, because they make you to come every day, every time, and just do trading and lose your money, and then they get rich. So on Friday and Monday, I don't even open my setups or don't even look what's going on in the market. I just, when I am going to do trades, I open like before 1 hour, do my analysis and what I think is best entries. Sometimes it's market execution, sometimes I think like I will pick up one point and I will wait of the market to hit that point, and then I'll be in the trade. So you need patience and you need strong mindset. So we are getting $100 as profit, but we are waiting for news 1 second. Once we will getting almost 200 in this trade, then we will book $100 as 0.05, and the rest can go. Always book your profits. So 9 minutes are left. Eight minutes are left in the news, and now you will see volatility in the market. So market is hitting 40 because there is a small weak support here. You can see here the push is on downside today. Seven minutes are left, and we are getting $118 in swing trade. Always book your profits, and we have booked our 10 pip and 100 pip on 80 pips, and now we are getting 120 pips as 0.10 lot size, and 6 minutes are left in a news. Market is pushing downside. As you can see, market is at 2739, and we are getting 120 pips, but we are waiting for 200 pips, and then we will close our half position. So now 5 minutes are left, and as you can see, market is pushing downside. Three minutes are left in the news. Now you will see market will move very fast. Now market is tapping 40, 1 minute is left, and now market will move. It can go right back up and hit 48.50. Even our entry point is 52, but you should have that strong mindset that you can, if you want big profits from the market, then you should be properly, like, your mindset has to be strong that even it's your break even has been hit, then you are not feeling anything. So as you can see now, market is moving very fast. New scheme, we will check. It's pending. Hmm. So new scheme, there is not much movement in the market. But we will wait till 2730, and then we will close half. If we are getting $200 in our swing trade, then we will close $100 profit, and the rest can go more. If not, then our entries break even, so there is no harm on our capital. So we will leave it and we will see it at Tuesday, the next week. So as you can see, the news came, but there was no movement in the market. But definitely market is on sell side right now. We are getting 120 pips as profit, and we are waiting for 2730. If it hits before 7 o'clock, we will close our entry as half. Like we will book $100 as profit and the rest can go. If not, then we will leave it as a swing trade and then we will book it on 2700. And there is news at 9 o'clock. So be careful at 9 o'clock because market will move at that time or upside or downside. So as you can see in Forex Factory, 9 o'clock President Trump speak. So be careful. So the push is on downside. As you can see, market is moving downside, now hitting 2737, and we are getting 140 pips as profit. So if anybody has done trade with us, they can book their profit and wait if they have left for swing trade. Now if anybody wants to go for sell, I will recommend 2750, that you should wait for 2750 and then it will be a very good setup for you, because if now you want to go for sell, then market has potential to touch 2750 and 2752. and then you will be crying that what is going on. So if we touch $200 as profit before 7, we will close $100 at 0.05 lot size, but we'll see what happens. We have 20 minutes to go. So market taps 2736 and still pushing downside. And market has potential to hit our target before 7. We will see what happens. If you have any queries, you can contact me on this number. This is my number. If you have any problem or you are stuck in any condition, just text me, and then I'll give you solution for it. So now market is pushing downside. So market hit 2735.892, and we need a bit more. That market hit 2732, and then we will book our more profit if market goes there. If not, then this setup is done. We booked our profit, and we will leave it as a swing trade. So if anybody is going to do trade at 9 o'clock, just be careful, because at that time there will be a high volatility in the market. So, and also manipulation will be there. So be safe, use proper lot size as your how much you have your capital. Use proper lot size, make your targets clear as in profits, and also search for your entries. Don't rush. and be careful. Don't go rushly and just go for buy or sell, and then you will be stuck in the market. So market hit 35, and now market push upwards at 2738, as you can see. But more chances of the market is to go down today, because right now market is $17.825 down, and if you count in percentages is 0.63%. Today market, gold market went down. So 14 minutes are left. We will see whether our target for the swing trade will be hit or not. If not, then I will put it manually or at 2700, except that I will take profit in this swing trade. I will put here in edit, I will go, our stop loss is done there. So in take profit we will write 2700 if this goes there. So as you can see down, if market doesn't break even this entry, so we will get $521.50 as profit. So our order is modified, and market now, as you can see, pushing upwards, and now it's on 2740. If anybody wants to go sell, they should wait for 2750, and then they can go again for sell, because the good setup is at 48 to 50. But you should have patience to wait for the market to get there, and then you can go for your entry. Now market is tapping 40 as a resistance. Once, if market reject from here, it will go down from here. If not, then market will tap 45, and then maybe 50. Yeah, 12 minutes are left in our this live session. We will see what happens in the market. Market has potential. You can't trust market, because market can go in 10 seconds down $10 $20. because I have seen market one time. So at that time, market was at 701870 to be exact. And then it was like Monday morning, and market opens, and after 15 minutes, market was jumping in a second $20. So market in the morning, it was all time high. So market went up and want to wash everybody and to clear liquidity. So market went up in 15 minutes $80 up, and then the whole day market went up in the morning in 15 minutes $80, and in the night at 9 o'clock market was down $130. So sometimes market also do this. So always use proper SL if you are taking hedging. Do it in a proper, because if not, then they can wash your accounts, and you can't blame anybody but yourself in the end. So now we are getting 120 pips as profit if I want to book it, but we will leave it as a swing trade. And I am entered my both. One is like my stop loss as a break even, so I have no loss in this trade, and I put my take profit at 2700, because if you are leaving something as a swing trade, then your target has to be good. So we have still 8 minutes left. We will see whether market hit 2730 in this 8 minutes. If not, then it's okay. Then we will leave the whole $10 0.10 lot size as a swing trade. So I do every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday live trading. Then you can come and learn from me, and you can also earn. And I also don't do Monday and Friday, because in my experience there's a lot manipulation going on those days, and I have a strong mindset that I can keep myself away from trading on Monday and Friday. So I'm leaving this trade, and my target is now in this trade is this 500 pips. So from even right now, market is bullish, not bearish, but you have to see 9 o'clock because at 9 o'clock market will move very fast. So be careful. Always do your analysis. First your entry points, then your targets of profit as I mentioned here, and your hedging point or your SL. So today we are done for the day. As you have seen that I have booked my profit. First was 10 pips, second was 80 pips we have booked, and in swing trade we are in profits as 130 pips going on, but we will leave it as a swing trade and we will book our profit at 2700 if market goes down. So if you like our stream, please subscribe to our channel, hit like button, and if you have any queries related to trading or crypto, you can contact me or comment. This is my WhatsApp number, and I will meet you inshallah next Tuesday. So for then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.